Hey, George, I just finished a fruit salad for lunch. I really wish they would add some more fruit at the barista bar. It really helps my productivity.
Yes, I know. I love banana. I eat.
Hey guys, thanks for taking this call. I know I just scheduled this meeting 5 minutes ago, but I've got urgent requests from upper management. Recent surveys show employee morale and productivity is down. And after much consideration, we need to add more fruit to our barista bar because fruit helps our software engineers like yourselves write code more effectively and product managers like myself convey product requirements better. But we have limited budgets. I need you two to come up with a new way to measure the value of adding more fruit to our barista bar. We got to do this quickly. What do you think? Can we get this done by next week?
Well, this seems like a tough problem. Maybe we could start with an ML model. We could start by, let's say our MVP could be predicting lines of code by engineers, and we can find some historical data. We can look at some times where we've had fewer fruits at the barista bar and use that to estimate a counterfactual model. And then we can predict what happens if we add a fruit to the barista bar.
Sure. But we could also just express the problem with a few hypothetical constraints and see how that goes. Like, what if the average diversity of fruit consumption increases by 10%? We then reweight past consumption data to match that scenario. This will give more importance to coders who have more fruits to choose from. And if these coders are more productive, then yes, fruit diversity increases productivity. We can even quantify it.
Well, I like that idea, George. I mean, I definitely write some better code when I've had some Densuke watermelon. It only grows in volcanic soil in Hokkaido. It costs a couple $100 per melon.
Well, we can analyze that scenario too. Just add the cost data and we can estimate the total.
That sounds exactly like what we need, guys. Let's call it ForTune because we're going to need to save a fortune with this new method.